about the Antichrist. He's going to kill anybody who oppresses him, with special emphasis on killing Jews and Christians, right? That's in the Bible. Well, the Mahdi will kill anyone who opposes Islam, with a special emphasis on killing Jews and Christians, right? That's just one example, and there's 12 of these, right? Where they're line for line. Antichrist equals Mahdi. But what about the false prophet? That one pretty much shocked me. Because I just thought, okay, prophet. Well, false prophet will arguably be more deceptive than even the Antichrist. This religion of 2 billion believers, and then another religion, Christianity, 2 billion believers. So the majority of the planet is pointing to something that's going to happen in the future, the return of Jesus. Except the Quran's version is a Jesus that specifically defines the doctrine of the Antichrist. This fake Jesus, he's going to come down and he's going to endorse the Mahdi. He's going to have that false message. He's going to say that Jesus didn't actually die on the cross. He's going to try to basically invalidate the whole doctrine of the gospel, that Jesus died for our sins. And he's going to say that he's not really the Son of God, the way Christians believe that he is. Honestly, that's what Islam is. Islam is a New Agey kind of cult. But the word taken up, another argument, they say, no, the word rapture doesn't exist in the Bible. It does. Rapturos in Latin, taken up in English. So taken up means you're being taken up. It's what the word means. It's there, and it says we will be taken up. If Jesus is coming back, why will he take us up and then bring us back down again? It's more like a military operation, right? Let's go get our people out of the enemy's camp before we just let it go and leave them to themselves. Things are going to get really bad. A lot of people are going to end up leaving out of that, but they're going to believe through the fire the hard way, as opposed to the people who stayed faithful the whole time and they get raptured out.